a guided tour in one of Mumbai's slums called the Dharavi slum, which is actually the biggest slum in the whole of India. And about 1 million people live there. About 30% of Mumbai lives in slums, which is really a crazy number. And honestly, the tour was amazing. We had a tour guide, Jitu, who was very knowledgeable himself. He came from the slum. He grew up in the slum. His family is still living there, and he feels like he wants to share his experience and he wants to share with the world how living in a slum actually is, and that it's actually much different than what a lot of people think it is. Like, people in the slum were super friendly. Everyone was saying hello. Everyone was so nice and curious, and the kids would come to you, say hello, ask for your name. And what struck me most was that people were so hardworking in these slums. There were factories of people recycling plastic.
Plastic recycling is the major business there. All the waste plastic which you see in this bag is collected from the streets.
There were leather factories creating bags and creating whatever other sorts of leather clothes and accessories. A soap factory as well.
I have all my friends living here. I actually feel more safe here than I am in the city.
Wow. It was very, very impressive and so different, and you actually felt pretty good there, which is something that I was not sure I would, because it is so different than what we're used to. But wow, honestly, I can absolutely recommend, if you're in Mumbai and you're interested in seeing this with your own eyes, I really recommend booking a tour with Jitu. I'm going to add his link. I'm going to add the link to his tour in the description of the video. I can 100% recommend it. This is one of the best tours that I've done so far in my life.